We're in court for the start of a civil trial for this former Orlando councilwoman.
Sir, I have a criminal case pending, and I'm invoking my Fifth Amendment privilege.
The allegations and who else took the stand ahead in a live report. And just moments ago, court wrapped up for the day in that Regina Hill civil case. Good afternoon, I'm Greg Wormuth.
I'm Darlene Jones. Hill is accused of exploiting a 96-year-old woman in her district. Last week, she was arrested on fraud and elderly exploitation charges, and Governor Ron DeSantis suspended her just minutes before the city council meeting this week. Channel 9's Nick Papantonis has been in that court hearing for much of the day. He's now live outside of the courthouse. And Nick, a lot was discussed there, focused on trying to keep Hill away from the victim in this case.
And just moments ago, we learned that the judge is going to keep Hill away from that victim. A permanent injunction as the case goes forward has been granted. Hill is obviously hoping for a different outcome, to have an independent person appointed to oversee this woman to help start to clear her name. But the judge said there's just too much evidence noting the criminal trial that's going on to even permit that possibility to happen.
Sir, I have a criminal case pending, and I'm invoking my Fifth Amendment privilege.
Former Orlando Commissioner Regina Hill pleading the Fifth in court Friday as she faced the possibility of being permanently banned from contacting the woman she's accused of exploiting. During the hearing, the woman's new legal team trotted out a series of witnesses that testified to those accusations, including the FDLE agent who investigated Hill, resulting in 7 felony charges filed last week. He said a series of IV treatments on the 96-year-old credit card statements was one of the signs something wasn't right.
Why was that on her credit card and not a part of medical insurance?
Hill's attorneys are hoping to prove Hill isn't a danger to the woman, and her new legal team is coercing and exploiting her.
Did Ms. Curtis ever say to you that she was concerned about Ms. Hill taking things or taking her money?
No.
Did she ever complain about her care?
No, she never complained.
This was not, in fact, an investigation, but an assassination of her character.
And we have the commissioner walking up right now.
Do you have any comment for today?
No, I'm still in the middle of a criminal trial, so I can't say anything.
Do you have a message for your constituents in District 5?
Your reaction, how are you feeling with this announcement from the judge today? Or what's going through your mind right now?
Commissioner, what do you have to say to all the people that you've been serving for years now, watching you go through this?
I'm trusting the process, and I'm trusting God still.
What do you have to say to the alleged victim? I know a lot of
I'm still in the middle of a criminal investigation, and I can't say anything. Be careful there.
My bad.
Speaking to the heart of what's going on right now, if you have any comment about that. I know you can't speak to the legal specifics, but the emotions right now that you're feeling, the emotions that the community's feeling right now.
Oh, of course, this is emotional time. But as I stated, I'm leaning on my faith and truth being revealed. And I'm getting my day in court and, being honored.
The judge had a different take from what your attorneys were arguing. Are you disappointed by what happened today?
Talked about improvement in the legislation that wasn't before you took over the power of attorney. Anything to that you would like to say?
Well, I know that I improved Miss Curtis' life, and I love her. I showed a lot of love and attention, and that's all I can say.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
That was Commissioner Regina Hill here. We are live in Orange County. Nick Papantonis, Channel 9 Eyewitness News.